ETH, just I want to give a quick update. We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, when the price was here, we mentioned if we get a correction, we can look for buy. First of all, in my last analysis, we explained about the entry from this point, and the second one, we remove it. Now the thing is, still we can expect the price for the continuation, and we can look for buy. And if we're looking at this one, similar to any of this correction, okay, now we want to see whether we can get one more buy or not. The first thing is if we move to 15 minutes, as we can see, the price dropped and broke this low. Okay, now we consider it as like 1 to 3, and still we can expect the price correct for one more drop. If we get this one become a deeper correction, any reversal with the flag, we can look for buy. It can give us better trade setup similar to what we have here. Okay, but this one is quite different because as you can see, the price sharply drop, then start. This is where we could look for buy. At least we get a small flag, but here was a bit corrective. Okay, that means we want, if the price drop a bit more, as I mentioned, even there is a possibility we get the internal correction for one more drop. Is better. Any reversal we can with the flag, we look for buy. And if the price continue from here, without giving us one more drop, that means this correction didn't. I mean, it didn't become more complex or more deeper. The only way having entry above the top. If the price reverse from here, and the top will be almost 1860, we put it 1861. Okay, by the way, we whatever we're looking for, sorry, okay, by the way, if I move to 1 hour chart, we're looking for this small correction for one move up. Having entry above this top can be option, which I mentioned is the price is 1861. But what we want the price to tag and continue. If price tag and reverse, I mean, if the price tag and within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we take out the trade. We don't stay with the trade. Let me change this one. Okay, this is where we put our entry. Okay, the thing is the way we're looking for this is relative to any of this. And even if we move to 4 hour chart, as we can see, after the price break the stop, and we think this one still can continue and retest this high. Okay, because now we're looking at this as if the only correction relative to this, and this is the start of the up move. But one thing we need to look to know that whether from here or higher, we can expect to get a deeper correction similar to what we have here. This is the only things we need to be aware. Probability that price drop and retest this low is very low. Okay, but still we can expect for the deeper correction. That's why if we move to 1 hour chart, we consider this one as a small correction as what we have right now, similar to any of this. If we get the any buy, I mean, we get into the, then from there, we start to manage it. We consider as a short-term buy. Okay. But if this one become a deeper correction, similar to what we have here, easily we can look for trade setup. By the way, having entry above the top can be risky. This is in case there is a continuation, similar to what we have here and here. Okay, the best things is if we get the sharp move and flag. If anyone doesn't have the experience with the entry above the top, they shouldn't put the entry there, because what we want the price tag and continue. If the price tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay in the trade. And even sometimes the price can tag and reverse, even it doesn't give us 1 hour time. Okay, that's why having entry above the top is very risky. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.